How are you guys doing? So this is where we left off. So in this tutorial we're going to make something, these pages. Let us start with account. I think it is something that I'm showing. Just let us Control Z. But it is over now. Let us just do something, delete and start all over again. Create a stateless widget. Let's call it account. So instead of returning a contain, we're going to return a scaffold. And inside the scaffold, we're going to have an up bar. Color, we're going to define African color of white. And then elevation of 1.5 is okay. A title, let's call the account. Let us copy the bar and paste it to all the other. So return scaffold and paste this one. Instead of doing this, just let's copy this, Control C, and then we'll be copying. So if we rerun the app, then you'll see the changes. So if we tap on one of these, as you can see, account, because we did not change the name, so we're doing very great. So let us do something. Let us go to the home page and do this one. We'll copy something, which is the bottom navigation bar. I have highlighted this, so I think we're good to go. The bottom navigation bar. Let us just copy it. So Control C and then copy. At the end of the up bar, we're going to paste it. Control V. If it is good enough, then we are good to go. I think it is okay. So just import the library. I think if for something, let us just copy this and press the function here and paste into the home. So Control C and paste it here. Control V. Then let us do it home. Then after that, we're going to do the same for after the upper. Just paste the code. Control Z. Let us go back here and copy the entire bottom navigation. So it is up to the container. So Control C, Control V. Just import this one. example this one too. Go to the media, and below the up bar we're going to do the same. I don't know the shortcut to do this, but I think you guys understand this. I'm running out of time. Control Z, been giving me an error ever since. So let us go to this edge and do the same. Control V, just import the library. Just to run the app, and then you see the changes. So the app has reloaded, and then if we tap anywhere, we can see the bottom navigation is everywhere, and it is all working fine. So thank you guys for watching this, and let us meet in the next part.